my first video. Hope you guys will enjoy my channel. I know my hair is a little wacko. That's okay. So now we're gonna do water bottle flipping for my first video. Hopefully I do good. I know I'm not the best. So let's see how I'm gonna do. Attempt number 1. We're gonna flip it onto this. Oh! And now we're gonna try and cap it. Ready? I'm just gonna flip it. It almost capped. Look at how close this cap is. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's levitating. Look at the front. The cap right here. It's almost there, but ooh, here we go. I'll probably get trouble for that one. Alright, so now we are going to flip it onto that. The bricks. So set the camera. Come on. Oh, that's first try. First try, you guys. Let's see if I can do it again. Oh! Oh! That's 2. And then... Oh! That was like this. I don't know how it did that. But now, you see right here? Right here? I'm going to be from right here, and I'm going to flip it out to there. Out to here. Ready? That was even part of the plan, so go to a new place. Now, we're going to flip it onto these chair handles. So, let's get this set up. No. 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 Haha. See those handles? I'm going to flip it onto that. First try. I didn't even practice before this either. Look at how it's hanging off right there. Right here. I put the chair back. So, now, we're going to be stupid. Oh, I'm going to try and cap it. Ready? Ready? I know know you guys are. I know you guys are ready. You ready? Here I go. Oh, that was so close. Now, I'm going to chuck it into that bin all the way. Oh, I lost it. All the way over there. Right there. Alright. Ready? Can I see it? Hopefully you guys can see it. Actually, not a smart idea because that's so old and it's gonna break my picture. So, now, we're gonna do awesomeness. So. Oh my god. Dude, it literally just bounced off this down here. And it landed like that. That was awesome. Alright, you see what we're gonna do next? Trying to do this. Not working. Wait. One last try, I'm gonna do it. Whatever. Now, I'm going to be awesome. And I'm gonna walk and be awesome. And drive my RC car. You guys want me to drive my RC car? Your choice. Should I? Yeah, I should. Alright, let's go get the RC car. It will be super quick. You guys stay right here. There's the beautiful Traxxas. Oops. My bad. Full speed. Ready? We're going full speed. Oh, frick. I just crashed into my ankle. Ow, that really hurt. let me drive this. I'll drive this. Guys, I think I just broke the RC car. I literally just passed it straight through. Look at that. It's touching the tree. I think we're done. I think I just broke it. Let me check. I need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to have to set you guys down. For the inconvenience. And let me go check this really quick. This is very surprising. I just took off the lid. Took off the lid. And the back wheel broke. I don't know how the back wheel broke. Because these are the wheels that crashed into the tree. And the back wheels are back here. But look at the back wheel. I mean, seriously. Look at that. This is so confusing. Super confusing. Well, you guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you smash that thumbs up button and hit this, and also smash the subscribe button. So, see you later. Bye. Have a nice day.